We want the finest wines available to humanity. We want them here, and we want them now.
I like you.
Oh, do you like me more than you don't like me, or don't you like me more than you do?
Listen, we're bona fide. We're not from London.
You remember how dumb I used to be?
Yeah.
Well, I'm better now.
You are better now.
As I thought I'd be. The neighbours fret for 45, but it's springtime for drink and drive, and the sun it shines, and the warmth it brings, it makes the flowers grow, it makes the birds sing, 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 sing. Sobriety, and I'm not as sober as I ought to be. I raise a glass, I raise a smile, 'cause it's springtime for drink and drive, and the sun it shines, and the warmth it brings, it makes the trees tree, it makes the birds sing, 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 sing.
Welcome. Ooh, finished. I'm Tony Thorne, that's Steve Nicholson.
I am Steve Nicholson.
This is the Be Reet Radio Show. How are you doing this week, Steve?
I'm doing very well.
Have you had a good one?
I've had a great week, yeah.
Have you?
Yeah.
What?
Just
you can't
great.
just say that. You've got to say something about how good
My life's going very well in general.
Is it?
Yeah.
My house is a tip at the moment, but
yeah.
It's like a building site, literally. I've actually got a builder there as well.
It'd be worth it in the long run.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's,
no pain.
Holes being knocked in the walls and stuff like that. And
you know that saying?
What?
No pain, no pain.
Yeah, I know that saying.
Yeah.
So, right, well, what have we got this week, Steve? First up there, you've just had springtime for drink and drive.
Drink and drive. I love drink and drive.
We do. We don't mean drinking and driving.
No, we don't drink or drive.
And that isn't a dig at you either, Simon Williams. But... Drink and Drive are playing at Night and Day on Friday the 19th of August. If you fancy going along to see them, it's £6. If you can get on the guest list, it's a £5.
It's a £5. I'm gigging. I've got a gig. It always happens, this.
Yeah.
I'd love to see Drink and Drive.
Yeah.
Next one.
Well, you will get to see them.
Yeah.
I know they're playing in October as well.
All right.
We've sorted them out. At Retro Bar.
I bet it's a week I'm away.
Oh dear, in October?
Yeah.
Are you going back to prison?
I've got to Bruges.
Oh.
Bruges.
Oh,
Do you know they built a 2-mile beer pipeline?
Have they?
From the Half Moon Brewery, the Half Man Brewery.
Right.
They built a 2-mile pipeline to the bottling plant,
Brilliant.
which is just outside the town, the city centre.
They're forward-thinking, them...
The Belgians.
Bulgarians, aren't they?
Yeah, them fellas. Yeah.
Yeah.
The whole thing's based around beer. The whole country's based around beer.
And chocolate.
Yeah.
Excellent. So, how long are you away for?
Just a week. A week in Bruges.
A week in Bruges?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, Bruges is in Bruges.
Bruges is not a shithole.
No.
It's a great film. They've seen the film in Bruges.
Yeah, it's a good film, yes.
Film.
So, what are we waffling about? Who knows?
My holidays.
Yes. So, I just drink and drive there. Next up, we have got, you know that chap from West Coast Sick Line called Dusty Moonen?
Dusty.
Well, he's done some vocals with his bass player, Nathan, for this other band,
Nathan.
which are called the Mothers of Delusion. Now, apparently the Mothers of Delusion are Dragon Rilovic.
Right.
He's not really called that, but that's a good name if you're Welsh, isn't it? Dragon.
Name. Dragon.
Yeah.
Yeah, Welsh Dragon.
Yeah. And he is the writer and multi-instrumentalist of the Master Bakers.
The Master
They're
Bakers.
from Wrexham.
Yeah.
Yeah. And he's the same guy who's mixed both of West Coast Sick Line's albums.
Have we played any West Coast Sick Line on this show yet?
Not sure yet. But
Bloody
maybe
Nora.
we could remedy that. We could. We should do. So anyway, this Dragon has asked Dusty and Nathan to do the vocals on this because the singer that they've got is he's good, but he's got more deadpan delivery.
What? He's worse than Dusty?
He didn't mean that, Dusty.
I did. I didn't. Did he? Yeah, Dusty.
So that's what it is now.
So I did realise.
Now, I like the title of this. It's quite glam rocky, and it's called "Woke Up in the '70s."
Woke up in the 70s?
Yeah.
I did want that once.
Did you?
It was in the 80s and I woke up in the 90s. Yeah.
Right, so let's have it. Woke Up in the 70s by the Mothers of Delusion.
Delusion.
Mothers of Delusion.
Were they having a bit of a pop at the BBC there in the 70s?
Yeah, I don't believe that, though, that he said nobody ever touched me at the BBC. It was
Not if you went
compulsory,
in that
wasn't
building.
it? I thought it was compulsory anyway.
Yeah, well, it must have been. It's part of the initiation ceremony.
Yeah. So that was Woke Up in the 70s, and I don't know if you'll be able to get that, but we will inform you when it's out. So, yeah,
we will do. We'll let you know.
Yeah, now, that song there, if we'd have been on that other station, we wouldn't have probably got away with that song.
We wouldn't, no.
But we can get away with a lot more on this station.
And we're going to tonight, aren't we?
I think we should warn people,
We should warn, yeah, because it's a bit of a fruity show, isn't it?
So, it's going to... There's some naughty words in some of the songs. And so SD, Stephen Doyle, from that other station that we used to work at, he's got a regular spot on this one now. It's called Blame SD. Because if you're offended by it, don't blame us. He's sent it in. We're just playing it.
We're just playing it, yeah.
So blame him, Stephen Doyle.
And he's not.
Yeah.
And also, W.H. Auden show.
Oh, he's a bit fruity.
He's always been a bit fruity, but he sent this... Shut up! Dog barking.
Yeah.
He sent a poem in.
Yeah.
And his mate's turned up, hasn't he?
Yeah.
And I think his mate's messed up the recording.
He has, yeah.
And he's like... There's a load of stuff I don't think we were supposed to hear on there, Tony.
No.
It's not very complimentary towards us.
No. Well... I don't care. So anyway, then you've been warned.
Okay. Then.
Right. So if you are of nervous disposition and you don't like the naughty words, and when I say the naughty words, I mean the naughtiest word that you can think of. Yeah. You're thinking of something different, aren't you? Now I know, but you're probably thinking. If you like me, you're probably thinking of the C word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not feck. It's the bad F word.
Oh, it's not. There's even that one as well.
And
it's the bad C word as well.
The bad C word.
And we don't mean crap.
The bad T word. They're all in there.
Yeah, they're all there. Yeah, so I'd fuck off to bed now if I was you.
Yeah, if you're under 18.
Yeah.
Feck off to bed. On your own.
Yes. So, but on a clean out, here's one. This just nicely fits in. I've been waiting to play something off Ed Blaney's new album.
Oh, hi.
And it's got this track's called Rude All the Time, and that's how appropriate
that's
is that?
Us, isn't it?
That is, yeah.